Hello, this is Avi Ben David at Mulholland. I want to show you this beautiful tandem gate that I'm really proud of. And little click on the remote, let it get open. Let's see how it's working. Wow, it's so quiet. I love it. It is small motor, so classic. No more chains or anything like that. And look at how the gate is going just behind that wall. And let's see how it's stopping when it gets all the way to the end. Perfect, beautiful. Now let it close. So in here we have a solution for a parking situation. Of course we couldn't do a swing gate that will swing into that area, and we couldn't do any other sliding gate that will slide into the neighbors because it's an alley over here. So that gate made out of two pieces. It's a tandem gate. As you can see, the first piece on the right going faster and getting into an encased post and creating a situation that you can use only half of the space. Let's go to the outside. Beautiful. As you can see, this is the alley right here. No other situation could have really worked here very well and still look good. So we created this kind of situation. And see how beautiful, and look how it's going into the receiving post and getting encased inside. Oop, another click and open. Look how beautiful and quiet. Oops. Coming back. And opening again. So if you need our help creating a situation like that, give us a call at 1-800-5625-770. My name is Avi Ben David. Thank you and have a beautiful weekend.